Hello folks, down here turkey hunting, the third week of the season in the state of Tennessee, and we've had a pretty good year so far. I've killed one bird and several of the guys have, and just had a pretty good year. They're not gobbling as well. I think the spring is behind here. They're still bunched up. But Lori and I, we decided to spend our first anniversary on a turkey hunt, which I am very...
We got in the bed extremely late, got up extremely early yesterday morning. The wind was howling, it was raining, thundering, and lightning, and all kinds of weather stuff outside. So we hunted a good, long, hard day. Well, today has just been a terrible weather day for us here in Houston County. It's been thundering, lightning, damaging winds, and they were calling for hail and maybe tornadoes. So the birds are not gobbling this morning. We maybe heard 2 or 3 gobbling in the distance, but they're just being so tight-lipped. So what we're going to do is ease on up here and set up. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, it is April the 15th, the day before me and Rich got married 1 year ago. So we decided to spend our anniversary turkey hunting. And I just got my first turkey, and it is Mr. Jake. As you can see, he's out here in the field. And we've been hunting for probably about 9 or 10 hours today, hunting hard. There was a big wad of jakes just came in the field, and we already had 5 hens here, so I was really excited. Let's go check them out.
him up there.
He was so hungry, he just went down. He's still moving.
Grab his legs there. He's okay. He's dead.
Sure?
Yeah.
Baby, he's still alive.
Pick him up. Pick him up. You just shot him. Pick him up.
I'm so proud. This was nerve-wracking, wasn't it?
It was really nerve-wracking, especially when you factor into it that they were all bunched together, and you was like, don't hit a hen, and let them separate, and all this kind of stuff. So it wasn't as easy as I thought it might be.
Well, they get bunched up there, and it's tough. Let's get this turkey out of here. Find something to eat.
Thank the Lord for a good day.
That's right. That's right. And tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm going after Daddy Longbeard, so
right.
you better look out.
Check out the rainbow.
That's God smiling down on me saying, job nice done, grasshopper.
That's right. That is beautiful.
Double rainbow.
Oh, we got double rainbow. Check it out.
Double
full rainbow.
I've never seen a full double
That
rainbow.
is so cool.
I shot my first turkey, which was a Jake. So this morning we woke up to the same exact conditions, only the temperature was cold. Last weekend was 88, this weekend was 48. So probably a 40-degree difference there. Anyway, this morning it was raining, the same thing, and Rich said, hey, you should just sleep in this morning. I said, God bless you. Happy anniversary, right? So I did that and tried to remain bundled up for the rest of the day. And, you know, it was a rocky road this afternoon. We drove around and we looked at some fields and we just didn't see any birds at all. And I said, baby, they're down there in the bottoms, you know. It ain't no use going and sitting on a food plot. They're just down the bottoms out of the wind. So, no, baby, let's just go up here and see what happens. So we get up here, don't have our key to the gate, and so we decided just to walk. And I really am not a big fan of doing the hike, but, well, finally, we have arrived after a ferocious hike up this huge ridge. It has been a cold, cold, wet day. My baby let me sleep in today. It's our anniversary, so after my excitement yesterday, I was pretty happy with that because it was pouring when we got up. So this afternoon it was still cold, and I said, I don't know. And he was like, well, you can't kill anything in the camper. So we rolled up here and forgot the key to the gate, so that's the reason we just hiked. But anyway, I'm going to sit here on food plot 1 and just see what happens. So.
Okay, now get your gun up. Get your safety off and stuff like you did before.
we got a show tonight. We came to the food plot. We was even thinking about not hunting. The weather was so bad, but it just calmed down, and I was really feeling tugged. You know how you just get these hunches that it was time to go set over a food plot. So that's what we did this evening. And we hadn't been sitting here 30 minutes, and Lori spotted the toms coming. You know, the tom coming from the other side of the field. He had a bunch of hens with him, and you know, they just kind of hung around down there until the hens committed. The hens committed to this side of the field, and boy, he didn't like it.
That's a Jake behind him. Let's see what he does with decoy. Let him come on in. Watch what he does. Watch him. Bust him anytime. Bust him. His tail. Bust him. Yes, baby!
Thank you, Jesus!
Oh!
Thank you, Jesus!
Oh!
That Tom is
Yes.
gorgeous!
Oh my!
He strutted all the way up through the field.
Oh, baby, he's a good bird.
Oh, baby, come on. Let's go see her. Oh, baby. Look.
Oh, he's a good bird.
Huge.
He's a good bird. Boy, he was pretty coming in, wasn't he?
He put on a fantastic show, something I will never forget, baby.
Look at his beard. Boy, see how long his beard is. Oh yeah, good 9-10 inches. Good beard. Good spurs.
How old do you think this bird is, baby?
I'd say 3-year-old. He's sharp. That's awesome. Good deal.
Yeah, baby. And what a blessed hunt we have had in Houston County, Tennessee, baby.
Happy anniversary is all I got to say.
Happy anniversary.
You got your first tom
Got my first Tom
on our anniversary.
on our year anniversary.
Got your first Jake the day before.
Got my first Jake the day
First
before.
turkey.
My first turkey.
And we got in a blind tonight. It's been terrible weather this whole hunt. And we got in a blind tonight. We said, well, we can't shoot them in the camper. So we just wanted to come and just sit and see what we saw. And he put on one more show. He started down there at the end of the field. You spotted him.
I did. I looked and I seen that big old red head coming over the crown of the hill, and I said, "Oh, baby, there's a red head. Where, baby?" I said, "He's coming. He's coming."
Yeah.
And he did. He came in with what, like 15, 20 hens,
He did.
something like that, and another Jake.
Yeah. And he come up to the Pretty Boy. Pretty Boy worked out again. I mean, you know, that's pretty cool to see that. But I am tickled to death. I thank the good Lord for a wonderful hunt, for blessing us.
Oh, absolutely, baby. It doesn't get any better than this, guys.
You know, we might have to make a tradition on this hunting on our anniversary. What do you think?
I think that'd be great, baby.
Well, I love you, baby. And
I love you too.
I'm so thankful for this turkey.
I'm thankful for this turkey.